and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Monica and today I want to bring you guys something different. A lot of you guys ask me all the time. If you follow me on Instagram, I do a lot of skincare videos there. I get a lot of questions from you guys about what is my skincare routine, what do I use, what are my secrets to keep my skin looking okay. I mean, my skin is not perfect. I do get some breakouts sometimes here and there, and I have dark circles, but it's way better than what it used to be. My skin is so much better. I used to have really crazy breakouts and I found a way to keep them away from my face as much as possible. I know it's impossible. Sometimes that time of the month I will get those breakouts, but it's not near what it used to be, and for what it used to be, my skin is pretty clear now. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys something I've been using for years and that definitely helped changing my skincare game, improving my skin, and something that I'm not gonna stop using. The product that I'm talking about is the Luna 3 from Foreo, Sweden. I love this thing. I've been using it, like I said, for a few years now. I have the exact same one. They sent me another one, and I had the Luna 2, the pink smaller one, and it was a game changer for my skin because it really depth cleansed my skin. What I didn't do well before, this does it for me. So it's a brand that I really like. It's a brand that I've been buying products from for the longest time. So I'm really excited to say that I am collaborating with Foreo on this video to show you guys the Luna 3 more in depth, how to use it, and tell you a bit about what it does to your skin. So if you want to see that, keep on watching. So when you buy your Luna 3, this is the packaging. I got the one for combination skin. They have a pink one for normal skin, they have a purple one for sensitive skin, and then they have this blue one for combo. And I have like a oily T-zone and some dry areas on the sides, so it's like combo skin. So it's really important for you to know your skin type before getting one of these, so it will work the best way possible for you, for your skin type. So I am a combo girl, so I need the blue one. I've used the one for normal skin, the pink one, like a few years ago, way before I knew what my skin type was, and it worked great, but I did see a lot of improvement after I start using the one for combination skin. So let's open this bad boy here. There she is. Inside this little thing, it comes with a little baggie, and it comes with the charger. So this is a USB charger, so you can use it anywhere, and it's really great that it has these, so you can like put your Luna 3 in there. And here is the Luna 3 from Foreo. Let me show you guys a little bit more up close. These are so soft, it feels great on the skin. And then if you turn it, this is what it looks like, and this is for like massaging your skin. And then on here you put the charger. So this is waterproof, which is great. I used to use this on my shower, and I've used it for years. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It's super simple, super easy, super sleek. I love like the details, and the best thing, it does wonders for your skin. Another thing I want to mention is like the battery life in this. So I think I charged mine maybe twice in 2 years. That's amazing. Like, you don't need to worry about charging all the time, which is great. And when you turn it on, this has like these pulsations that helps like going into like your skin and really cleanse it, really deep cleanse it. Something that your hands, when you are using just your hands to wash your face or a cleanser, your hands cannot do. One thing that is really helpful is the Foreo app that you can download on a phone. I'm just gonna open it so you guys can see. So I will open the Foreo app. You can download it if you have iPhone or any other type of phone. So yeah, these are my devices. I went and took out my Luna 3, the other older one that I have. So this is the devices that I have. This is the eye massager. This is the mask, like 2-minute mask one that I absolutely love and I cannot live without. I just started using it like a month ago. And this is the bear. This is for like firming, is like a lift kind of device for your face. When you download this app and you just bought your new device, all you need to do is add a device. I'm gonna go into Luna series, and you guys can see I can just like, let me show you guys, where is the, here, let me turn it, let me see, there. it scans my device automatically, and now I just need to follow the instructions. I'm gonna just like press and hold for 5 seconds. I'm doing that right now, and that's it. My device is on the app already. So it asks you where did you get it. You can just like quickly answer, and then you are set. Your device is there, and then you can click on it, and it has a how to use, device care, find my device. So imagine if you lose it, this app will help you find what it is. It must be something that they have inside on the Luna 3. And then you have the treatments, and then you have start cleansing and start massage. So the first thing I'm gonna do is cleansing. I'm gonna use the Luna 3 to cleanse my skin, and I like to do it on a wet skin. I'm gonna wet my skin and apply some cleanser, and then use the Luna 3. Now that I applied the cleanser, I'm gonna start with the device. I go into Luna 3 and I go into start cleansing. It's connecting into my Luna 3. I already adjusted the intensity that I want. I put mine on 10, and then the seconds that I want on each part of my skin. I'm gonna just start, and it starts pulsating. And as you guys can see, it's like counting down the seconds. And it turns off automatically. And if you don't want to use the app for like cleansing your skin, all you need to do is like press twice on this button right here, and this will start and we'll have like the temperature for a minute. And if you want to change that, if you want more time or less time, you just go into settings on the app and you can like adjust. For example, on the T-zone, you can put more or less seconds, and you can go up with the intensity. So I have mine on 10, it goes until 16, so you can choose. I'm just gonna quickly do my skincare routine off camera. If you wanna see what my skincare routine is, I will link that video at the end of this video so you guys can see, but I will be right back. So I'm done doing my skincare routine, and my skin is glowing. I'm obsessed with how it's looking. Okay, now I want to show you guys a treatment. So I'm gonna go into the Foreo Sweden app. I'm gonna go into Luna 3, and I'm gonna go into treatments, and it's connecting via Bluetooth, which is amazing. And I think I'm gonna go with the Nothing But Neck. This is a neck firming treatment, and I'm gonna just click to download it. And the reason why I chose the neck one is because I feel like we don't give the right attention to our neck as we are supposed to. And when you start to like grow old and showing like signs on your like your face and your skin is showing signs that you are getting older, you will notice very easily on your neck. So you should do a lot of neck treatments. I need to start doing these because in no time I will be 40. Like 10 years fly by. I know I'm being a little dramatic, but it's true. So I'm gonna go with Nothing But Neck. So this is the part that you use to massage. So this is the part that I use to massage your neck or your eyes, as the other treatments as well, like the back of the Luna 3. So let's go into Nothing But Neck. It's a 2-minute treatment. I'm gonna go with start treatment.
Press device against center of lower neck and then move upwards with pressure, ending on the edge of the chin or jawline to tighten and firm neck. Repeat this movement continuously across the neck. Next, move the device in circular motions around the neck. Targeted low-frequency T-sonic pulsations work together with the concentric ridges of the back of Luna 3 to help firm and tone the neck while fighting against fine lines outside of the neck towards the shoulder. Repeat this movement pattern outwards towards back of neck. Repeat this movement continuously down the neck to help increase the absorption of.
That's it! It went fast! But wow, it felt so good. Did you see how that was easy to do? That was really easy, and it did definitely like felt like a little massage. It felt really good. And again, you have these other programs as well, treatments I mean. Try to use this twice a day, in the morning when I wake up, and then after a workout, because you know when you work out there's a lot of sweats, oils, bacteria and dirt, so you should always deep cleanse your skin. So after workout is the best time to use this babe, and I like to use these in the shower because, you know, after workout I'm all sweat, I come home, got in the shower, and this is where I pop out my Luna Tree and use it for a deep cleanse. And then when I go out of the shower, I just do my nighttime routine, which is like my favorite thing to do. And then the other day I do it in the morning, and I'm telling you guys, it improved my skin a whole lot because you know, when you have all that bacteria, all that like dead skin cells on the surface of your skin, if you don't exfoliate, if you don't like take care of your skin, you will break out. Your skin will look really dull and like lifeless. So using these, it helps removing that dirt. It helps like your skincare products absorb a lot better. So that's pretty much it for today's video. If you have any questions, make sure you ask me down below. Anything you want to know about Luna 3, I will be happy to answer you in the comments. If you want to see my skincare routine, I will link that video right here on the screen. So if you are bored and have nothing to do, you can just go and check that video out. Thank you for watching my bare face, no makeup as today. Today is all about skin and how to keep your skin healthy. Don't forget to drink water, you guys. Water. So thank you so much again, guys. Bye bye.